Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, we are in unit 3, that is spreadsheets in Excel. Okay, we are studying spreadsheet examples, and today we will study the student result spreadsheet example. First of all, we have to type the heading and subheading in row number 1 and 2 just like the previous example, and we'll color it. Enter data in first 7 columns as shown in the figure. To calculate the total obtained marks, type equal to sum from C3 to G3, that will be the range in H3 cell. The result 349 will appear as we can see here in this image. Copy the formula of H3 and paste it for the range from H4 to H12. You will get the total obtained marks of all the 10 students. To find out the percentage, we have to type H3 divided by 500, these are total marks, and multiply it with 100 in cell I3, which will display the result 69.8 as shown in the figure. Then we will copy the formula of I3 and paste it for the range from I4 to I12, and this is how we will get the percentage of all the 10 students. So in the upcoming slide I will be solving this example in Microsoft Excel, so don't forget to watch that video. Okay, now I'm going to solve this example in Microsoft Excel. Sheet 1. Here I will type the heading, that is student result or spreadsheet subheadings are serial number, student name, then subjects like Urdu, English, Math, Physics, let's say these are the 5 subjects. Here we will find out the total marks obtained, and this one is for finding the percentage. Okay. Now here I will type numbers 12. Okay, adjust the width of cells. Merge and center. Make it bold. Can also increase the font size. Same is the case with the subheadings. You can just make it bold or change the font color. Okay. So I have already typed the student names and their numbers to save time. I'll just copy it from here and control go to sheet 1. Here I'll just paste it. So there are total 10 students and their marks in these subjects are given. So here we have to find out the total marks obtained by these students. For this purpose, equal to on the sum function, and we select the range of numbers. Press enter. Now we have to apply the formula only for the first student, and for the other student you will just place the cursor at the bottom right corner and will drag it to the other cells to calculate the sum of obtained marks for other students. So this is how the marks are calculated, the total marks are calculated for every student. Here we have to find out the percentage. Okay, so for percentage we know the formula for percentage is that we have to multiply the obtained marks with 100 and will divide it by the total marks. So and multiply with 100, close the parenthesis, and then divide it by total marks are 5 subjects are there, so the total marks are 500. Press enter. So 69.8, this is the percentage of the first student, that is Muhammad Haris, and for the other student we will just drag it to the other students. So the percentage is calculated for every student in this result sheet. So it's very simple, you just have to input the formula for only one student. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot, take care, Allah Hafiz.